How's it going, everybody? My name is Dan Rosenberg. I'm a solutions engineer with Hagerman and Company. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys a little bit about masking regions in Revit 2013. Now, a lot of you are already familiar with masking regions and what they do, but I'm going to go ahead and show you a little more functionality you can use with them, take it beyond just the scope of what you might already be familiar with. And if you're not familiar with masking regions, this will be a good chance for you to get up to speed. So what I'm going to do right now is zoom in on this view we have here, activate the view. And it looks like this is mostly just modeled information, no annotations or anything. So let's say I got a little part of my project here I want to mask out. So I'm going to click on region and use my sketch editing tools up here, click the rectangle tool, and just draw in a little rectangle, and you'll see what happens when I finish the sketch. It's now blocked out all of that modeled information. So I'm going to take that same masking region, I'm going to cut it to the clipboard, deactivate that view, and go over to a new view, and let's see what happens when I paste it into this view. Now you'll notice a couple things with this view. Most of this stuff is actually not modeled information. It's generic, or actually I'm sorry, detailed components and different filled regions. So I'm going to paste that masking region back in here. And it's probably going to be really big. So I can either edit that, let's see how big that is. Okay, that's not too bad. So just bring it down so it's a little more manageable for us in this view, at this scale. And we'll see what happens when I finish that sketch. Is it went ahead and covered up all those detail items, but it's not masking out this text right here. So what I can do is, even if I bring it to the front or send it to the back, it's not going to make a difference. However, it treats it the same as one of these previously added filled regions or detail components, so that it will be able to layer behind, but the text, there's really nothing I can do about that. But one trick I'm going to go ahead and show you is that we can now go to our family editor, create a new family under annotations, click on generic annotation, create a new one, delete that, and we can add in a masking region. So what I'm going to do is draw something in here, just make a probably 8" by 8" square. Doesn't have to be perfect, we can always edit these dimensions later. And I'm going to tab select all of those and make sure to change those lines to invisible. And what I would do typically is save this as something, but for our purposes now, we'll just keep it as family 2. Finish that sketch and then load it into my project. So what I did by clicking is I actually placed an instance of that. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that and go back into my view here, activate that. And since it was a generic annotation, it will be loaded under symbol. So if I click on symbol and place this, let's see. Oh, let's go ahead and turn on crop region. Actually, let me try to place it again. There we go. It was just really big. So now you'll see it's actually covering up everything in this view, including the text. And there's actually one more step we can take if we want to cover up everything, including the entire view. Notice what will happen if I try to place the symbol on the sheet. It doesn't cover anything up. That's why it has to be inside a view. So if I actually go and create a new drafting view under the View tab, and then we're going to place the symbol anywhere in this view. Go find that view we made. Drag that onto my sheet, and I can move this all around, and it's going to cover up whatever I need it to. Now keep in mind, it is still going to show this view name, so I can actually have it get rid of that by going down to my viewport types, click on one with no title, and change it out. Thank you very much. Have a great day.